everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Queensland, by the way. We are in one of the local beaches, so I thought I'm gonna share a little bit more with you because you know I like my little adventure reviews if I can. And of course we're gonna be reviewing some Leohex swimsuit. You can see that I'm already wearing one of them, but I'll show you a little bit closely just a little bit later. Welcome to the newest video and to the review. Let me show you what I have for you today. Let's go. So we've got the first swimsuit, as I said. So long sleeve, give you just a little quick spin. This swimsuit is made from like a sort of silkish material. It's very smooth. It's a little bit of a bummer to put on when I'm putting the sleeves on. So I always have to take time because your hands just slides off. But it's extremely comfortable. I like the length of it. It's got some SPF in it, so it protects you from the sun. It's not heavy on the body. It's a light, thin material. It's got a big long zipper at the back all the way up, and of course have a nice coverage at the back. I would say that it's really it's a type of swimsuit that you would use for surfing, which I don't know how to, because I am not from Australia. I don't know how to surf, but that's definitely something that I will wear one day if I ever be brave enough to try that. But definitely for any beach sports or running or stuff like that, because you need that protection from the strong Australian sun. So it's definitely perfect. I'm gonna go and dig through my bag and get all the other ones and show you what else is in the bag. Here's the swimsuit number 2. I've been collaborating in my head how would I actually call this material, because I can't really tell. It's a little bit more plasticky feel in a way. It's nice and smooth, but the inside of the fabric feels like a lycra, so it's got that sort of lycra finish. You can play around with the setting of this one, so it does go all the way up, which I personally find a little bit too restrictive, but definitely protects you from the sun a little bit more. The zipper goes both ways, so you can sort of play around to make it a little bit sexy looking, I guess. But I need to release my neck a little bit. It's a little bit hard to put it on over the shoulders, especially when you're a bit sweaty, so it was a little bit of a challenge to do that. Back of it all the way up, fully covering the back and fully covering the front. I do like how high the top is on these ones. It's just a little bit higher than the purple one-piece swimsuit. I would definitely combine this one as like a going to the beach lunch, whatever, and I have like shorts over it or anything like it, because it just looks like a normal top and will definitely deal with the sweating a little bit better than the regular cotton, I suppose. There's another swimsuit that I actually have, so there's one more to go to show you. Let me get that one out too. funny thing happened. I went to my bag and I discovered that I forgot to pick the last Leohex swimsuit that I wanted to review in this video. I'm so sorry, please forgive me. But don't worry, you're not gonna miss out on this swimsuit. It's a really nice one. I'm just gonna do a complete separate review for that one, so you're not gonna miss it. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the notification so you don't miss it. What do you think at least about these two swimsuits that I showed you, the long sleeve and the short sleeve? I like both of them for the different reasons, I would say. So I'm gonna wear them definitely. I went for the little dip, which was really nice. The water is so nice and warm. I hope you're gonna like that little bit of a beach I showed you as well. If you've got any comments, leave them down below as usual. Go and check out my all the videos. Don't forget to keep smashing that like button. It seems to be helping a little bit, but not as much still. So please come and continue supporting me in here. I really appreciate it. You can check my social media as well. You'll find a link inside in my bio here on YouTube. This is everything for today's video, unfortunately. Thanks for watching again, and I'm checking out. I'm probably gonna go for another swim. Let's keep watching. That was stupid.